glass encased bathroom, so everything is glass.
That's funny because when I go to a hotel with my wife and it's got one of those glass box bathrooms, I hate it. For obvious reasons.
Welcome and thank you for spending your valuable Saturday morning with us. My name is Sabarudin Hashim and I'm from Renotalk and I'm the moderator for today's discussion. And Design Crosstalk is where we bring industry experts to discuss on issues or challenges or upcoming trends in design that would affect homeowners' choices. Today we have an amazing panel on designing hotel-inspired homes, where we'll be talking about the possibilities, the challenges and the various starting points of turning your inspirations from your travel into reality. On a piece of paper, write the features that you would like to kind of bring home from your favorite hotel room into your home when you finally get it renovated.
I think the most memorable, maybe the most recent one was in Penang. It's a glass encased bathroom, so everything is glass.
That's funny because when I go to a hotel with my wife and it's got one of those glass box bathrooms, I hate it. For obvious reasons. But while you're asking for things that you take away, in my head I'm thinking of all the hotel rooms of the aspects that I didn't like. So if I was going to a designer, the first thing would be, I don't want a glass box. I want a big bath, because in Singapore when you travel, well, water's expensive here and we've all got showers. So my kids see a big bath and I don't see them for an hour. So it's easy to take away from what you don't like from these hotel rooms, I think, than trying to pick one.
Because in Singapore we always have this issue of space. In our own place, we are honestly unable to really have a huge bathroom in any homes in Singapore unless you're really staying on landed and you cater one huge space for it. So for bathrooms, we always cater for light coloured finishings. They'll make it look larger. And you see a lot of mirrors and a lot of glass. For myself, it was actually a villa that I stayed in when I was in Hua Hin. It was not particularly luxurious, but it just gives you the feeling of home. When I step into the villa, particularly into the bedroom, all the decor are all the Asian inspired themes, where there's a lot of wood carvings for the bed, there's a lot of wood carvings on the wall. The floors are made of natural woods as well. So it really felt like a home in another country. So when I went in, it was like, wow, I'm like a local house that I'm staying in, but it's all decluttered and everything was well spaced out and planned.
Because with the space of a HDB flat, your shower area is limited. But of course you can do up the tiles, having a feature wall. The whole feel is very different. So when you step into your shower area, you feel very relaxed and very comfortable and very cozy. Even tiles in whole slate forms that can just look simply fantastic. Tiles has always been the go-to for bathroom areas due to, like you have said, durability and reliability.